Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to design and simulate a inverting operational amplifier using LTspice. Our objective is to amplify a 5-volt input signal into a negative 15-volt output signal using an operational amplifier. Along the way we'll understand how the circuit works, calculate the voltage gain, and then verify our design through simulation. Let's begin with the calculations and find the values of our components that we are going to apply in the schematic. Since in inverting operational amplifier, the formula for the gain is equals to negative of RF over RI. We have a feedback resistance of 30 kilo ohms and input resistance of 10 kilo ohms, then we will have a gain of negative 3. Since the input voltage is 5 volts, the output voltage would be equal to gain multiplied by input voltage, and then finally we are going to have output voltage with a peak of negative 15 volts. Now we will simulate the circuit in the LTspice software. As you can see, the input voltage of 5 volts has been perfectly inverted and amplified into the peak of negative 15 volts. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and please check our website.